If you want to block mobile data for specific apps on a Motorola signature, what you need to do is you need to download a third-party app that allows you to do so, because unfortunately there is no built-in option. So if we go to the Play Store, we should be able to just simply search for such an app, and for example we can use a NetGuard app. This is just an example. Feel free to try any other app if you want to, but I've used this app before and I just think it works pretty well. So once we open it, we're just gonna tap on I agree, and now we just have to set it up a little bit. So we're gonna turn on the NetGuard over here in the upper left corner, tap on OK, and then again, and just keep tapping OK. Once you go to the app battery usage, you need to find NetGuard in here. Let's try to find it. There we go, let's select it. And over here we need to tap on allow background usage, and you want to set it to unrestricted. Now let's go back to the app. You can tap over here in order to grant notification permission. Over here we have some information that you might want to read in order to find out how exactly it works, but essentially if the icon is green, then the connection is enabled. If it is red, then it is disabled. There we go. Now over here we can just close these messages. So the idea is that if you want to block the access to mobile data for a specific app, you can just simply tap on the mobile data icon here on the right side, and now this specific app does not have access to mobile data. But in addition to that, what you can also do is you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to settings. Then in here we can choose defaults, so you can set up that by default mobile data is blocked. So now every app does not have access to mobile data. Of course, if you want to make an exception, you can easily do so over here. So of course you can be sure that certain apps can still use mobile data when needed, if you want them to do so. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.